Good evening. I'm Maisha Brody with HealthWise, and look at how you can achieve and maintain good health. Brought to you by Omega Medical Hospital, your healthcare provider of choice. Call 957-9223. Guinea hen weed, also known as garlic weed or gully root, has been described by many as a powerful plant. While it has a smell which some may describe as unpleasant, it is said to have numerous health benefits. These include cancer and disease-fighting properties. In this week's edition, medical practitioner with specialty in natural healing techniques, Dr. Danovan Whyte, shares the benefits of the Guinea hen weed. He says the plant is good for purifying the body.
Guinea hen is a wonderful lymphatic drainer. What I mean by that is that it helps the lymphatic system to move things along quickly. The lymphatic system is that other circulation in the body, other than the arteries and the veins, that moves toxic substances around the body. But literally, it just moves it around without an expulsion. But the Guinea hen weed literally encourages the lymphatics to become more active, to become more forceful, and to move the things not just around, but also out of the body through the intestines. So as a result of it being such a wonderful lymphatic drainer, it is actually an excellent blood and body purifier. So it purifies the body of whatever toxic buildup you have had. So when people take the Guinea hen weed for cancers are basically people who have suffered from massive toxic buildup over a long period of time. And if they have wonderful lymphatic drainage, which is what the Guinea hen will promote, they will in fact have better control of the condition that they're calling cancer.
Dr. Whyte adds that Guinea hen weed may also help to relieve headaches.
Many people also take Guinea hen weed for problems like migraine headaches. And some people tell that they don't even need to swallow it. All they need to do is to hold it or inhale it. That's how powerful it is. Because the inhalation is literally as effective as putting it into your body. Because it provides an energy, and the energy that it provides, the body can absorb through the gut, through the nasopharynx, and it triggers a reaction to boost the lymphatic drainage of the body. And once the lymphatic drainage is improved, the body cleanses better than it was before. So basically, it's a wonderful lymphatic drainer, and anything that gets improved by the lymphatics functioning better will benefit by using the Guinea hen.
He explains that while the root of the plant is preferred by many, the entire plant has health benefits.
Most Jamaicans tend to use the root of the Guinea hen plant, but my recommendation is that if you keep using the root, then a little while you won't have any Guinea hen left. But the entire plant is wonderful. The entire plant does exactly what the root does. So you don't need to just use the root of the Guinea hen.
Noting concerns about the danger of Guinea hen weed, Dr. Whyte says it should be used in moderation.
Any herb that we can speak of, there'll always be a warning against it. But you need to ask who is giving the warning and why. And the warning is always from the pharmaceutical companies because they don't want any competition. They will take the Guinea hen weed, extract a part of it that does something beneficial, sell it as a tablet and tell you how wonderful that is. But if you can use it by itself and get the same benefit, they don't want you to do that. So there's always a fight against the use of herbs. But I'm not here to promote herbs to anybody, I'm here to tell people that nature provides us with the answers and the solutions. And it's not just in the herbs, it's in the entire nutritional portfolio, which includes the foods that we eat. And if we're eating properly, we wouldn't need these things. We wouldn't need to be curing anything.
Medical practitioner with specialty in natural healing techniques, Dr. Danovan Whyte. Now for this week's dose of medicine. Make sure you know how to prepare and take your herbs. Like conventional medicine, taking the correct dose at the right time is important for the herbal remedies to work safely. That's it for this week's edition. Brought to you by Omega Medical Hospital, your healthcare provider of choice. Call 957-9223. Being healthy is a journey, so join us again next week for another edition. I'm Maisha Brody. Until next time, be wise and stay healthy.